is right here. This is Mr. C. He's our oldest penguin. He's 29 years old.
Oh my
December.
goodness!
And that's his mate Pepito. That's Maximiliano here. This is Leonardo. So if you look at, say, Leonardo and Dora right there, Maximiliano has a white spot on top of his head right here. Dora has one between her eyes. There's all these distinguishing features that allow us to tell these birds apart. You know, once you've worked with them a long time, they could be a best friend. And I've seen penguins go into like a little bit of a depression for a week or so, but usually they pop out of it. And yeah, like Mateo, I just saw him running around here. He was with Anchoveta for 8 years. Those are vocalizations, and that's common penguin vocalization, Humboldt penguin vocalization. And basically, really interested. Raul, right here. Or Diego will. There you go. Another one? Okay. Yeah, they all molt every year.
Okay.
But once they've molted their adult plumage, they just repeat the same plumage phase every time. So they only remain juveniles for the first year and a half, and then they molt their adult plumage.
Bada bing, got that little black crest.
Hi, Cruz.
Yeah, Cruz.
You're so cute.
So yeah, these, yeah, and then as I said, all these feathers are basically uniform in size and shape.